Virgilio house. But he went to Manila already. So now I don't live here.
Are they gonna bite me?
They're curious for that. Hindi maya to. Bakit ngaya ano? Lumapit kaya tutukain teka.
Ay.
Mabungaan yan yung last time. The lansones, like 1 much fruits. Maybe we take a lot maybe 2 bags or 3 bags of.
What'd you guys do with it? Oh, this is the back of the school?
Huh?
This is the back of the school?
Yeah, that's the back of the school.
So close.
Very close. Very close to the home na. But it's lang. Small kitchen. They cook only water
Bananas.
with the banana with a small banana. Malinaw naman ang gripo rito eh. Di man lang tinakpan yung gripo ko eh. Ito yung tangke ko, kailangan tanggalin na yan eh.
It's old.
May tang. This thing is ano,
Oh man, this thing still
yeah,
works.
it's very clean the water.
Ancient.
Very clean the water.
Pump it, Mom. I'm gonna wash my hands. It's sticky from the.
You don't ano.
Ay, that's
Hindi
good.
nawawala ng tubig to eh. Ang ganda ng ano.
Oh, they found the. Is that what they're gonna cut?
It's like
Can we walk this way?
Yeah.
Okay. Ma's helper. Just gonna get some old coconuts. My mom bought this land back in 1982. Timber! Man, that goes down in a crush. Oh, I better get my booty out of here. I'm gonna get hit in the head. Ma! Oh. Cut all these trees to make a semi-fence around the house. Ma's house that she built in, when did you build this? 2000?
Which one?
The house?
Something like that. Well, si Jillian, when did she get married?
I think Eldon was 4, so 2004. It's abandoned because my mom made a spot closer to the road, so her younger brother lives here.
Ano ba yun? Ano ba tawag yan? Pineapple. Pineapple.
Oh, is that a pineapple? Oh God! Ma can't walk in the city, but she can walk all over the jungle. No problem.
Nakayod niyo?
Mas maganda kasi yung Dave, kayod it.
Okay. I don't know how to turn it off.
Magkayod ka, bilis. Mas maganda kasi yung
Kayod.
kayo nag-uusap.
Hindi mo kinain nyo, Jin?
Hindi pa.
Yung sa'yo, yung gusto mo.
Oo.
Ngayon, ako nasab din ako kay Papa kasi siyempre,
Mm.
Sabi ko si Junior nandun eh. Sabi ko siya yung naging crazy dun sa Manila ng pagpunta.
pero mo nung natayo yan.